Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in, checking out our channel. Appreciate you guys very much. Confidence. When faced with a big challenge where there could be potential failure, and it seems like there's always failure lurking around the corner, maybe you've heard this advice before. Be more confident. And more than likely, this is what you might think when you hear it. If only it were that simple. But what is confidence? Take the belief that you are valuable, worthwhile, capable, which is also known as self-esteem. Add in the optimism that comes when you are certain of your abilities, and then empowered by these, act courageously to face a challenge head on. That is confidence. Confidence turns thoughts into action. So where does confidence come from? Well, there are several factors that impact confidence. One, what you were born with, such as your genes, which will impact things that, like the balance of your neurochemicals in your brain. Number two, how you're treated. This includes social pressures of your environment. And number three, the part you have control over, the choices you make, the risks you take, and how you think about and respond to challenges and setbacks. It isn't possible to completely untangle these three factors, but the personal choices we make certainly play a major role in confidence development or confidence building. So by keeping in mind a few practical tips, we do actually have the power to cultivate our own confidence. Tip number one, a quick fix. There are a few tricks that can give you an immediate boost of confidence in the short term. Picture your success when you're at the beginning of a difficult task and try something like this, as simple as listening to music with a deep bass. It can promote feelings of power. You can even strike a pose or give yourself a pep talk. Those are excellent ways to boost your courage. Tip number two, believe in your ability to improve. If you're looking for a long-term change, consider the way you think about your abilities and your talents. Do you think they're fixed at birth, or do you think they can be developed like a muscle? These beliefs matter because they can influence how you act when you're faced with setbacks. If you have the fixed mindset, meaning that you think your talents are locked in place, you might give up, assuming that you've discovered something that you're not very good at. But if you have the growth mindset and you think your abilities can improve, a challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Neuroscience supports the growth mindset. The connections in your brain do get stronger and grow with study and practice. It turns out, on average, people who have a growth mindset are more successful, getting better grades, and doing better in the face of challenges. Tip number three, practice failure. Face it. You're going to fail sometimes. Everybody does. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 different publishers before one picked up Harry Potter. The Wright brothers failed time and time again at flight. History shows that those attempts helped them design a successful airplane. Studies show that those who fail regularly and keep trying anyway are better equipped to respond to challenges and setbacks in a constructive way. They learn how to try different strategies, ask others for advice, and persevere. So think of the challenges you want to take on. Realize it's not going to be easy. Accept the fact that you're going to make mistakes and be kind to yourself when you do. So give yourself a pep talk. Stand up, go for it. The excitement you're going to feel knowing that whatever the result, you've gained greater knowledge and understanding. This is confidence. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys very much. If you're looking for a six-figure income, check out Clarusway.com. Clarusway, reinvent yourself. Excellent place. We can answer all the questions you have as far as helping you get into IT, get that six-figure income. Check out Clarusway.com. The link is below. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. We look forward to helping you with your career and how you can be better at life.